A magnetic resonance imaging is a scan that makes use of incredibly strong magnets, radio waves, and a computer to take elaborate pictures inside your body. This lets doctors diagnose all sorts of diseases. As you know, if you're a loyal subscriber, we like to get straight to the facts. So on that note, here are the most surprising magnetic resonance imaging facts that you might not be aware of. Before we get to our top 3 list, let's look at some honorable mention candidates just outside the top 3. The magnets don't have healing powers. If you have even the slightest bit of common sense, then you'll know that the magnets used in magnetic resonance imaging are only meant for medical imaging purposes. The images produced are there to help diagnose any diseases in the body, but there's no healing caused by the machine. This disclaimer has to be put out there because quite a few people utilize and believe in the healing powers of magnetic therapy, which is a type of alternative medicine where magnets are worn in bracelets, necklaces, or belts and are alleged to help cure illnesses. While synergy is real, it does not apply here. Please don't forget to take off any external jewelry or magnets before you step into the MRI machine, as you could do more harm than good. Risks of getting in an MRI. Due to the fact that MRIs use powerful magnets, the presence of metal in your body can be a tad dangerous if it gets attracted to the magnet. Let's say that it doesn't get attracted, even then, metal objects can break up the MRI image. Unless the device has been proven to be MRI safe, you might not be able to have a scan. Devices could potentially include metal prosthetics, metal clips, artificial heart valves, and more. Sometimes the darker inks in tattoos or permanent makeup can also contain metal. Pregnant women are also advised to abstain from getting MRIs, as the effects of the magnetic fields on fetuses aren't quite known or understood. Besides that, if you happen to have kidney or liver problems, that should also be discussed with your doctor, because problems with these organs could affect your scan. Number 3. Types of MRIs. The MRI of the brain and spinal cord is the most frequently used test, and is usually used to help diagnose multiple sclerosis, spinal cord disorders, aneurysms, strokes, and tumors. Another unique type of MRI is the functional MRI of the brain. It puts out images of blood flow to certain areas of the brain and can be used to examine the brain's anatomy. An MRI of the heart and blood vessels focuses on the heart or blood vessels and can help identify structural problems in the aorta, inflammation or blockages, size and function of the heart's chambers. MRI of other internal organs looks for tumors or other disorders in various organs such as the liver, kidneys, and pancreas. MRIs of bones and joints can help evaluate tumors of the bones and soft tissues, bone infections, joints, and disc abnormalities in the spine. MRIs of the breasts can be used with mammography to detect breast cancer. Number 2. It is insanely powerful. The Earth has a magnetic field, and this field is measured to be about 0.5 Gauss. And despite what fearmongers may say, this field is not dangerous. However, when you step into an MRI, you're exposed to magnetic fields that are a lot stronger than the Earth's itself, but are just as harmless. Your run-of-the-mill MRI can give off magnetic fields that are 1,000 times more powerful and are measured to be about 5,000 to 20,000 Gauss. Number 1. The way they work. You're probably aware that about 70% of the human body is made of water. This water is dispersed all throughout the body, making it the perfect carrier of information. Magnetic resonance imaging works with the help of incredibly powerful magnets and radio waves to mimic the water molecules inside the body. This makes the hydrogen atoms in the water molecules line up in one of 2 directions. But some of the hydrogen atoms don't line up until a radio frequency is applied, and when the radio pulse is turned off, those hydrogen atoms release energy, which is recorded so that an image inside the body can be produced. And that reaction allows you to get the images needed to help you on your way to a faster and safer recovery. And that is the end of our list of the surprising magnetic resonance imaging facts. Let us know in the comment section below if you knew any of the above mentioned facts. And as always, don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell icon. Share this video with a friend who might enjoy it. Thanks for watching. Until next time.